Hi, I'm Indiana personal injury attorney David Holub. In this video we discuss what the law requires of a product warning label. We all laugh at instructions and warnings that state the obvious, like only grip the knife by the handle, or the label on a baby cart that says not intended for highway use. But we live in a world where warnings and instructions play a critical safety role. Consider medications for a moment. What if there were no instructions about the hazard of driving after you take a medication that makes you drowsy? Without such warnings, people could be killed. Here's what the law says about warnings and instructions. The Indiana Products Liability Act provides that a product is defective if the seller fails to 1. Properly package or label the product to give reasonable warnings of dangers about the product, or 2. Give reasonably complete instructions on proper use of the product. When the seller, by exercising reasonable diligence, could have made such warning instructions available to the user or consumer. Evidence of the absence of a warning in the face of evidence indicating the need for a warning provides the legal basis upon which to hold a manufacturer or seller of a product liable for harm resulting from the lack of a warning or instruction. But more can be involved. What if an instruction or warning is provided but it is unclear or fails to make clear the gravity of a danger? These failings also can be grounds on which to base a lawsuit. The law further requires product makers and sellers to conduct a reasonable safety hazard analysis prior to selling a product, and to assess the severity of anticipated hazards. Frequently, the lack of an adequate product hazard analysis and delivering to a consumer a product without a warning makes the product unreasonably dangerous. Lastly, often when there is a warning given, a legal battle ensues over the placement of the warning, such as whether it must have been on the product itself or if it is acceptable to note the warning in a package insert. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have questions about your legal rights, if you get hurt due to the carelessness of another person or the result of substandard medical care, or due to a product defect, please call us at 219-736-9700. You can also learn more about us by visiting our website at davidholublaw.com or our YouTube site.